Welcome to the #1 finance channel in the world. And here's a story that may completely change the way you see investing in cryptocurrencies. In this video, I will show you my screen. You will see my current assets. I'll explain how I started my investing journey in 2023, the strategy that I used, when I sold my positions, and the most important lessons I learned. But before we dive into the details, make sure to stay updated with the latest financial news and insights. All right, let's begin. At the end of 2023, I had around $15,000 in my bank account. I wanted to find a way to grow it and achieve financial freedom. I've read lots of books about investing, but they mainly focused on stocks and bonds, which seemed too slow for me. So I turned to the internet, and that's where I learned about cryptocurrencies. But there were so many options and I didn't know where to start. That's when I discovered a new cryptocurrency called XRP. To understand why I chose XRP, let's look at 3 factors. First, the Ripple case. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple in 2020, alleging that XRP sales were illegal. This lawsuit hurt XRP's price and created uncertainty for investors. However, by the end of 2023, the case was almost finished and the outcome looked positive for Ripple. Many experts believed that a win would boost XRP's price and popularity. Second, global banks. As economies get more digital, they need faster and cheaper ways to send money across borders. Ripple's technology could help solve these problems by using blockchain to connect different payment networks. Many big banks like HSBC, Standard Chartered, and Citigroup partnered with Ripple to test their new services. These deals showed that banks liked Ripple and XRP and wanted to use them more. Third, the price was low. By late 2023, XRP's price was around 50 cents, which was much lower than its record high of $3.30 in 2018. Many people thought that this low price was a chance to buy XRP before it became expensive again. All these 3 points convinced me that XRP could be a great investment. So I made a plan. Let me show you the results of my investments. From December 2023 to November 2024, I bought a total of 65,000 XRP coins at the average price of $1. Then in November 2024, some exciting news came out. A United States court said that XRP is not a security, which meant that it's not under the rules of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. This news made XRP jump from around $1 to $2.50 in a few days. Since then, XRP has been growing slowly and steadily. By the end of 2025, my 65,000 XRP coins were worth around $100,000. Now let me share with you my XRP buying plan and the money I've earned. I bought XRP for 12 months and spent $12,000. The price of XRP changed a lot, but I kept buying XRP every month no matter what. After a year, I had 65,000 XRP coins. But that's not all. Because of the price changes, I actually made $100,000. So you might think that I made all my money in 2025, but that's not true. Most of my money was made in 2024. For example, in October 2024, I bought 5,000 XRP coins. At that time, XRP was around $2. But today, XRP is around $4. So now my 5,000 XRP coins are worth twice as much, which means I made around $10,000 from that deal. Here's something interesting. While I was investing in XRP, I also bought some other cryptocurrencies. But those coins didn't do as well as XRP. XRP gave me the best results, which shows that it's important to choose the right coin, so I really believe that XRP will continue to grow and be a good investment. It hasn't been a smooth journey. There have been ups and downs along the way. In May 2024, the price of XRP dropped to around $0.38, which made me feel uncertain about my investment. But I kept going and didn't sell, and that decision paid off. The most important thing is to always have a plan. Before investing in XRP, I did a lot of research and chose a price at which I would sell my coins. I knew that if XRP reached certain prices, I would sell some of my coins and keep the rest. This helped me to not be greedy and to keep buying XRP even when its price was low. Overall, my experience with investing in XRP has been very good. I've made money and learned a lot. And since then, I haven't sold any of my XRP coins. I plan to keep buying them for at least 5 more years and see how things turn out. Now let me share with you some of the lessons I've learned. First, never invest what you can't afford to lose. It's risky, and I was ready to lose my whole investment. Second, learn about the coin you're interested in. Understand its goal, how it works, and its future plans. This helps you make smart decisions and not just follow the crowd. Third, have a plan before you start. Know when you will sell your coins and stick to your plan. This helps you stay focused and avoid making emotional choices. Fourth, don't believe everything you see or read. The crypto world is full of exciting news and sometimes fake information. Always check and double-check what you find online. Fifth, invest regularly. Don't put all your money in at once. Buying coins regularly helps you buy more when prices are low and less when they're high. Sixth, be patient and keep calm. Crypto prices go up and down a lot. Stay calm and don't make choices based on your feelings. Remember, investing is a journey, not a quick way to get rich. Finally, it's important to mention that what worked for me might not work for everyone. Everyone has different goals and situations, so before making any decisions, you should carefully consider your own circumstances and seek advice from qualified professionals. As we wrap up this video, I hope you found my story helpful. Please don't forget to support us. And if you're interested in exploring more investment opportunities, consider checking out our platform where you can access exclusive deals and content. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your investment journey.